Hi, I'm Brad with General RV. We're here today to give you the first look at the brand new 2022 Thor Sequence 20J. Let's take a look. This B-Van sleeps 4, seats 6, and is over 21 feet and 1 inches. The 20J is built on the Ram 3500 Pro Master chassis, and under the hood, we feature a 3.6 Pentastar V6 motor. Coming to the back of the 20J, we have a Thule bike rack that can accommodate up to 2 bicycles. The 20J does feature the Thule Crown awning. So coming into the cab, we've got a sliding screen door. Why don't you come on in? Coming into the cab, we have a 7-inch touchscreen radio that does feature Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. Backing up is a breeze with the integrated backup camera. Both the driver and passenger chairs also swivel into the lounge area, so there's more added room for you and your guests. Coming into the lounge area, we have a couch that seats 2 people, and it also features a articulating table that is in fact removable. Coming into the kitchen, we've got a stainless steel sink, a glass cover 2-burner stove. Overhead, we've got a microwave. Down below, we've got a single door refrigerator. And then the really nice part here is all the storage that you get inside your kitchen. Stepping into the wet bath, we feature a swiveling cassette toilet, a flip down sink with a swivel head. Opening up the mirror, we have that just a little bit of extra storage. Heading to the back of this B-Van, we have our integrated sofa bed system. Now this bed will actually sleep 2 comfortably back here. We do also feature a removable table here, as well as an integrated mounted TV. And as you can see around me, there's ample storage overhead as well as underneath me. Another great feature of the 20J is the slow rise window covers. And even cooler is the rear sliding windows. They actually have integrated screens built into the window. So as soon as you pull it back, that screen comes with it. Another really cool feature of this camper van is the pop-top camping area. Let's check it out. Headed up into the bunk portion of this B-Van, we've got a great skylight. So this is great for letting a little bit of natural light in. Thank you for joining us for this first look of this Thor Sequence 20J. For more information on this awesome B-Van, visit GeneralRV.com or visit one of our 14 locations across the nation.